Do you feel tired all the time, have muscle cramps, or experience difficulty sleeping? You might be overlooking a key factor. Magnesium is a vital mineral responsible for over 300 biochemical processes in the body, including blood pressure regulation, nerve function, and energy production. Magnesium deficiency can lead to serious health problems if ignored. The symptoms may seem minor at first, but they can build into more severe issues, like heart problems, diabetes, or bone deterioration. The good news is that recognizing these signs early can help you correct the deficiency with the right foods or supplements. Awareness is the first step toward better health. Let's dive deeper into the 15 critical signs that your body is craving magnesium, and how you can address each of them. Welcome back to Be Your Health. Before we continue, remember that this video is for educational purposes only, and is no substitute for professional health advice. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful health content. Number 1. Sleep problems. Do you toss and turn for hours, unable to drift into sleep? Magnesium helps regulate melatonin and GABA, which promote relaxation. Without enough magnesium, your body can't transition into a restful state, leading to insomnia or restless nights. If you often wake up tired, low magnesium could be the root cause. 2. Osteoporosis. Worried about weak bones? Magnesium plays a crucial role in bone health. It doesn't just affect your calcium levels, it also increases bone density and reduces the risk of fractures. Magnesium deficiency contributes to osteoporosis by weakening the bones and lowering calcium levels, both of which are essential for bone strength. 3. Muscle spasms and cramps. Do you get unexpected muscle cramps or spasms, even when you're not working out? Magnesium regulates muscle contractions, and without it, your muscles stay tense. This can cause painful spasms, cramps, and in extreme cases, tremors or seizures. Epsom salt baths, magnesium sulfate, are often used to relieve this discomfort, but internal supplementation is key. 4. Mental disorders. Have you noticed unusual mood swings or feelings of apathy? Magnesium is critical for brain health, and a deficiency can lead to emotional disturbances like depression or anxiety. A lack of magnesium can interfere with neurotransmitter function, causing issues like nervousness, mental fog, or even memory loss. Severe deficiencies may result in delirium or even comas. 5. Calcification of the arteries. Are you at risk for heart problems? One of the first signs of magnesium deficiency is calcification of the arteries, which leads to hardened arteries and a higher risk of heart disease. This can result in heart attacks or other cardiovascular issues. Magnesium prevents the excessive buildup of calcium in the arteries, helping to keep your heart healthy. 6. Fatigue. Do you feel exhausted even after a good night's sleep? Fatigue is one of the most common signs of magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is needed for energy production at the cellular level, and without it, your body struggles to generate energy. Chronic fatigue and even symptoms of fibromyalgia may be linked to a magnesium deficiency. 7. Migraines and headaches. Do you suffer from migraines that seem to come out of nowhere? Studies have shown that magnesium can reduce both the frequency and intensity of migraines. Magnesium stabilizes electrical activity in the brain, helping to prevent the nerve hyperexcitability that triggers migraines and headaches. 8. Irregular heartbeat. Have you experienced palpitations or an erratic heart rate? Your heart needs magnesium to function correctly, and a deficiency can disrupt its electrical impulses. This can result in an irregular heartbeat, making you feel like your heart is racing or fluttering. Long-term, low magnesium can increase your risk of heart complications. 9. Blood sugar spikes. Do you struggle to control your blood sugar? Magnesium plays a pivotal role in glucose metabolism, and low levels can contribute to insulin resistance and diabetes. If your blood sugar levels fluctuate more than usual, it might be due to insufficient magnesium, affecting your body's ability to manage glucose. 10. High blood pressure. Worried about high blood pressure? Magnesium helps relax blood vessels and regulates both calcium and potassium levels, which are crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Magnesium deficiency can lead to hypertension, a leading cause of strokes and heart disease. Supplementing magnesium can help reduce this risk. 11. Twitching eyelids. Ever had that annoying eye twitch that just won't go away? Magnesium deficiency is a common cause of involuntary muscle tics like eyelid twitching. These tics are often one of the earliest signs that your body is running low on magnesium and needs a quick boost to calm the nerves. 12. Tingly extremities. Do your fingers or toes feel numb or tingly? Magnesium helps your nervous system function properly, and without it, your nerve signals can become erratic. Persistent numbness or tingling in your extremities, or limbs feeling like they've fallen asleep, could indicate a significant deficiency in magnesium. 13. Asthma. Do you have difficulty breathing or suffer from asthma? Low magnesium levels are often seen in people with asthma. Magnesium helps regulate calcium levels in the muscles surrounding your airways, and a deficiency can cause them to constrict, making it hard to breathe. Severe asthma attacks are sometimes treated with magnesium sulfate to open airways. 14. Stress. Feeling constantly stressed out? Emotional and physical stress can drain your magnesium levels, making you more prone to anxiety and mental tension. During stressful times, your body requires more magnesium, and if you're already deficient, it can lead to a vicious cycle of heightened stress and lower magnesium levels. Number 15. Seizures. Without an existing condition, have you or someone you know experienced unexplained seizures? While seizures are typically linked to pre-existing conditions, random seizures may indicate a severe magnesium deficiency. Low magnesium disrupts brain electrical activity, potentially causing life-threatening convulsions. If you frequently feel fatigued, dizzy, or lightheaded, it could be your body's way of signaling dehydration or a magnesium deficiency. To combat these symptoms, prioritize staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. In addition to hydration, consider incorporating a magnesium supplement and magnesium-rich foods to restore balance and reduce these sensations. Here are 8 magnesium-rich foods you can add to your diet. 1. Dark leafy greens, spinach, kale. 2. Nuts and seeds, almonds, pumpkin seeds. 3. Legumes, black beans, lentils. 4. Whole grains, quinoa, brown rice. 5. Avocados. 6. Dark chocolate. 7. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel. 8. Bananas. Magnesium supplements you can consider. Magnesium citrate, known for its high absorption rate and mild laxative effect. Magnesium glycinate, gentle on the stomach and effective for improving sleep and relaxation. Magnesium chloride, supports cellular health and may help with muscle cramps. Magnesium oxide, common but less easily absorbed, often used to address constipation. Testimonial. For months, I felt constantly drained and couldn't figure out why. My sleep was restless, I had headaches, and even my muscles started cramping randomly. After some research, I realized it could be magnesium deficiency. I started taking magnesium supplements and incorporating more magnesium-rich foods like avocados and dark leafy greens into my diet. Within weeks, I felt a massive difference. My energy returned, the cramps disappeared, and my sleep improved so much. I had no idea how vital magnesium was. Sarah J. Try adding a magnesium supplement to help reduce some of these symptoms. Have you ever experienced signs of magnesium deficiency? Which of the symptoms we've highlighted resonates with your own experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Don't wait for these signs to worsen before taking action. Early detection of magnesium deficiency can prevent many serious health conditions. Have you noticed any of these symptoms in yourself? If so, now is the time to start paying attention to your magnesium intake and take steps toward a healthier, symptom-free life. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content and check out our next video on superfoods to keep your health journey going strong.